Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the bed model and remote version so you use the right procedure. Insert fresh AA batteries, checking polarity and cleaning contacts. This prevents intermittent signals. Once done, stand at the headboard and power on the base. You want the motor audible. Press and hold the remote's power or home button until the status LED blinks. This begins pairing. Make sure the mattress numbers display resets. If not, retry battery seating and a firm power cycle before continuing. Now you adjust firmness and position. Use the plus and minus controls to reach the desired sleep number for each side, because each side calibrates separately for weight and comfort. Once the feel is right, test the head and foot incline controls. Make incremental changes to avoid sudden movement. If your remote supports presets, save a profile so you can return quickly. Finally, run the auto-calibration or comfort reset. This ensures sensors map pressure correctly and keeps the mattress balanced. Finish by saving presets and testing both sides for consistent pressure and motion to confirm calibration held. If the remote won't respond, repair by removing batteries, waiting 30 seconds, then reinserting and repeating the pairing hold. This clears soft faults. For persistent issues, check mattress-to-base connectors, the inline fuse or breaker, and wall power. Motors won't run without a stable supply. One key troubleshooting tip: if the motor hums but won't move, gently tug the air hoses and fittings. Trapped.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.